Hey everybody, got another video for us today. I want to show you guys how to use a new program we're going to start with on our next group of lessons on Friday. It's called Classkick. It's a really great way for your students to submit different types of work and all be in one spot. And it's got lots of different things you can do on it, so it can be a little intimidating or a little scary when we first start out with it. So I want to make this video showing some of the different features, so hopefully that'll help ease us into using this program. But I think once we get going on it, I think your kids are really going to like it. So there are two different ways you can get to it. I've added it to my backpack where your students can get it under our homeroom, just like where our home learning, where the choice board's at, and Class Dojo. I've added it there. It also will be linked on the HyperDoc you're going to get tomorrow, but we'll explain more about that later. But it'll be in those two spots. So for Classkick, you'll click on it. And then it's going to ask you for a class code. Now, with each assignment, it's going to have a different code, but we'll make it very clear what code you need to use for each assignment. So 78HPM7, and once you put the code in, it's going to ask you for the student's name. And then you would continue. And with this, we've got just a sample assignment I would like for you to try to do, for your students to try to do today, so they can get used to using some of the different features on Classkick. So it says, welcome to your first Classkick assignment. Get started on the next slide. So we'll just click over. It says, write your name in green by adding a text box. So all the tools you'll need are right up here. So I'm going to scroll over and I'm going to find the text box. Let's add text box. And all I need to do is click down and hold and drag it out. Tell how much space I think I need, and I can always change the size. And so also add in green. So I got to go up here to the T with the underline underneath it. That's text color. So I'll select green and I'll type in Christian. And then that's all for that one. I'll click on to the next one. It says draw your favorite animal below. So over here, I've got to look and see. Here we go. Pen mode. So I can click that. And let's say you wanted to, it starts out with black, but let's say if you want to change it to a different color, you could change the color of it. And I'm going to draw, I don't know what I'm going to draw. Let's say little kitty cat. And I gotta add some whiskers. There you go. Perfect. Then I'll click over to the next one. And it says use the microphone tool above to try saying and recording the following things: your name, where you're from, and what you love most about school. And you'll notice my cursor is still in pen. So I'm gonna need to change that back up here. And by clicking on the microphone, it says add audio. So it might ask if it says, you see up here, it says allow Classkick to use your microphone, allow, and then start recording. So my name is Mr. Underwood. I am from Conover. And what do you love most about school? I love my students. So I'll hit stop and save. And it's just going to create a little file. You don't have to move it. You can keep it right there. And so when I play it, so my name is Mr. Underwood. We can hear it, and then keep on going on. Next one says, with a pen, circle somewhere in the world you would like to travel. And then let's see, I'll grab the pen tool, and I would really love someday to go to Australia. I'll click over here, drag and sort the animals on a scale of least to most. So you notice I'm still in pen, so I'm not able to draw or drag. I'm going to have to go back here and click my cursor. And I'll drag them down to my favorite. I'm not going to do it because I can see I'm running out of time on my video. So what do you think of Classkick? You'll just add another text box. I love it. And you don't have to do anything to submit it. Once you're done, you can just close out of it. It'll automatically save. And if you accidentally close out of it, it'll save as well, and you can get back to your work.